Hello viewers, we have a project. It's in you can say Riyadh Space Fair. This is one of our camera for the gift shops. So guys, I will show you now one by one all of our camera. This is the Indore camera with it's a Hikvision model, the wireless. Okay, so same category camera. We have three more in outdoor. I will let you know and I will show you. So guys, here we have three wireless Hikvision's full MP camera. One of these here and then one here, and you can see we have one more over here. Okay, so this is the food courts. See you guys with the next location. Let's see the next location, what's happening there. Well, we have here a project at night. So you can see it's night, morning at 4:30. So we have still work for the Riyadh Space Fair. Too much cold outside, oh my goodness. So you can see our team is working here. We installed the IP camera. It's a 5 megapixel. At night we cannot see anything. It's a dark places. So we already installed all our cameras. Now one by one I will open for the big window full screen. Let's see, this is the indoor first of all. This is the indoor camera. So for the gift shops, let's see next one. Here is the outdoor. Then we have one more outdoor. It's a food court, so one camera controlling all the food court. And here it's also the space of the parking. Then we have here one for the platinum, Mars platinum. So let's see outside camera. So guys, see you with the next location, next project. For today, bye.